Ahoy mateys! So this is my 4-year review of using the Tecware Phantom Mechanical Keyboard. This is my first mechanical keyboard and I opted for Tecware due to its renowned reputation in the community. I bought it online for $45 and went for the full-size variant, maintaining a regular keyboard appearance without unnecessary frills. It came with keycaps and a switch puller, along with extra switches for customization. Equipped with rubber feet, a steel-mounted plate, and a durable braided cable. It's notably heavy, weighing around 1 kilogram. The inclusion of a numpad has proven extremely useful, especially during my video editing sessions. I've been exploring the RKH81 and can provide some valuable feedback on its usability once I get the hang of using it. My shift to a smaller keyboard was driven by the pursuit of ergonomic benefits and the hope of alleviating my shoulder pain, while also freeing up more space on my desk. Remarkably, I haven't encountered any lag issues throughout my 4 years of usage. I've only replaced 2 switches during this time. However, the main issue I faced was corrosion on the steel plate, possibly due to prolonged exposure to sweaty hands. I managed to resolve this using a simple solution: nail polish. While the cables can be adjusted into 3 positions, having a removable cable would enhance ease of cleaning and maintenance. Opting for brown switches on my Tecware keyboard, I find that compared to the cyan switches I'm using, I lean towards the latter. The Sky Cyan offers a more satisfying and easier key press. This experience has inclined me towards preferring linear switches overall. Overall, I'm quite content with Tecware keyboard's performance. If it weren't for ongoing issues with my shoulder pain, I wouldn't consider replacing it. In the future, I'd suggest avoiding steel material to prevent corrosion issues, and opting for keyboards with removable cables for easier maintenance. Thank you for watching. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video.